hundreds of tons of waste are improperly disposed of. From plastic bottles thrown into the ocean or river, or litter carelessly left on the streets.
Why is this such a big problem?
Let's take a look.
The goal of this presentation is to highlight the causes and consequences of improper garbage disposal, propose realistic solutions, and show how we can all contribute to solving this issue.
Improper garbage disposal is when waste is discarded in locations that aren't designated for trash, like streets, rivers, or illegal dump sites.
The problem is growing environmental crisis.
What are the possible causes of this problem?
The causes are simple: a lack of proper waste management infrastructure, human negligence, and the overuse of single-use plastics.
This waste not only pollutes our land and water but also harms wildlife, contaminates drinking water, and contributes to climate change as some waste, like plastic, takes hundreds of years to break down. So how can we tackle this issue? Here are some solutions. First, improve waste management system. Cities or municipalities need better infrastructure for waste collection, sorting, and recycling. By improving the efficiency of waste disposal and increasing recycling rates, we can significantly reduce the amount of waste entering landfills and the environment. Second, stronger legislation and enforcement. Governments can introduce stricter laws for waste disposal, impose penalties for littering, and create incentives for a company to adopt sustainable practices. Here in Kapalong, using plastic bags in grocery store or even in small stores or vendors is highly prohibited. They use eco bag or paper bag instead. Analyzing the proposed solution.
Let's analyze the proposed solutions.
Waste management improvements. The pros are clear: less waste in the environment and better recycling. However, setting up infrastructure is costly and may take years to implement effectively in underdeveloped regions. Stricter legislation. Laws can force change, but enforcement is often weak, and fines don't always guarantee better behavior. In conclusion, improper garbage disposal is an urgent problem that requires both immediate action and long-term commitment. Together, we can reduce waste, protect the environment, and build a more sustainable future. Here's how we can help. Start by recycling more, reducing your use of single-use plastics, and encouraging others to do the same. Let's take responsibility for our actions and work towards a cleaner planet. Thanks for watching, and remember, small actions can lead to big change. Let's all make a difference.